Hello guys, welcome to a new week of virtual learning. This is Ms. Richardson. This is for my accelerated 7th grade math students for the week of September 28th through October 2nd. October 2nd, you guys. Can you believe it? October. It's going to be over before we know it, the year, as in 2020, which I don't think anyone's going to be sad to see it leave. All right, but let's see what we are going to do this week. So let me show you what's going on. All right, so like I said, September 28th through October 2nd. So let's click on here and see what we're going to learn this week. So obviously I have an important message for you at the top of the page. Is highlighted in yellow. It's almost report card time. All makeup work for the first 9 weeks of school is due by October 5th. That is next Monday. So if you have been keeping up with your assignments and you have no zeros, then you don't have to worry about this statement. It does not affect you in any way. If you do have zeros, you have anything you need to make up, you have to get it done before October 5th unless you want to see an ugly, sad grade on your report card. Now, once the due date has gone by, so if I assign something on Monday, I want you to do it by Friday, no later than Sunday. At Sunday at midnight, that assignment closes. Well, you can't access it unless I open it for you. So I really would like for you to have all assignments done on time. However, if you miss one because something was going on and you want an opportunity to make up that work, then I want you to make it up as well. So you just have to send me a message in the Canvas inbox, ask me to open it for you, and I will do so. All right, so don't tell your mom, okay, I got a zero, but I can't make it up because it's locked and Miss Richardson won't unlock it. That's not true. I will, but you have to ask me to, okay? So anyway, let's see what's coming up this week. We are in the, statistics unit. So you're going to be looking at samples and inferences on Monday, today on Monday. Tomorrow, you're going to look at statistical variability and comparing populations. That sounds pretty serious. Find out what that's about. Wednesday, you're going to be looking at applications of statistics. Thursday, you're going to be plotting some points on a scatter plot. And then Friday, you're going to take all those points on a scatter plot and you're going to create a line of best fit. All right, and so when will we be Zooming this week? We will be Zooming tomorrow, Tuesday, at 11 o'clock. All right, so I hope all of you join me for that. Please show up Tuesday at 11 o'clock. All right, so let me go down here into the actual lessons. So make sure you're reading, guys. This is one of those units where, yeah, you'll still have math to do, but a lot of this has to do with reading and surveys and interpreting data. And so you really have to read, and you have to look at examples and, kind of figure out what's going on, not just, based purely on math problems. Some of you are math geniuses, and if I give you any math problem, you can do it. But a lot of these are more situational type problems, okay? So make sure you look at your lesson objectives. You're trying to figure out if there is a valid question. If you have a survey question, you want to make sure it's not biased, that it's unbiased. You want to make sure you have a good quality survey question if you are asking a certain population a specific question. All right, so you're watching this video, you're reading everything, you're going through these just like you do every week, all right? Always on that last, second to the last slide or the last slide. Oh, there we have a box plot, or a dot plot, I should say. It's not a box plot. So different types of graphs. But then when you have the summary page, so make sure you do those practice problems. So on this one, 7 of 7, look at your objectives. Can I do these things? Did I learn these things? If not, you need to go back through the lesson. Always double check your vocabulary. Those terms are very important. And then I love that summary they give you. You can always click there for the lesson review guide. That is a great page for you to print and keep in your math notebook to always go back and refer to that, okay? All right, so then you're going to take your little formative assessment over that. You can always go back to your modules and find those that you're looking for. Now, I did find a good helpful video on scatter plots. So I added that here at the bottom. So on Friday, you're going to do your line of best fit. You're going to take your formative assessment. And then I did find this video that, you know, it's not the most exciting video in the world. He's a math teacher.
How you doing? This is John Zimmerman with tabletclass.com. Here to give you a little bit of information.
Yeah, not the most exciting video you've ever seen, but he explains things very well. He gives you some good information, and he, you know, says, well, if you're in 6th grade, this is what you would do to find your line of best fit. If you're in 7th grade, this is what you could do. But we'll talk more specifically about that tomorrow as well. But when I can find you guys a couple of videos, I'm going to start trying to put those in there so you can have something to look at if you get a little lost. You know, I know if you Google things, you know, you could have thousands and thousands of hits or whatever. So if I find a good video I think might help you, I'm going to try to start putting those in within the week. But anyway, no, don't ever skip actually the curriculum that's already put in place. Don't skip that and just go to the video, because those textbook examples, those practice problems, those are going to help prepare you for your formative assessments and also quizzes and tests that you have coming up. All right, not necessarily those YouTube videos that I find. All right, so make sure you come tomorrow. This is kind of a tough little week. A lot of people don't like statistics, but we got to get through it. And so tomorrow, maybe I could give you some more information. We can talk a little bit more about what you'll be investigating this week and more about how to create a scatter plot and find the line of best fit. If you need me anytime besides just tomorrow, you can reach me and I will get back to you. I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I will see you tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Have a good day.